you are watching. All right, sorry. So this is the firing technique here. So we do the server start. Oh. So this is the firing technique here. God damn it. So we do the server start. I don't need my own audio. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. So here's what I think's happening. I think when we're in action bar key press, right, we do this sequence here where we check if it's a machine gun and it's aiming, and if it is, then we start server shoot over here with server fire and server auto fire, full auto checked, right? And then we do, if it's the main rifle and aiming, and we click the button, we do server fire, but server full auto is not checked. This doesn't matter. This is a failed attempt to get a delay to run. So then we come over here to the firing tech where server start, we go to multicast start. So we get, and we make multicast fire, is it firing? And then we make MC full auto check, is it auto, is it in auto, right? So here I have it check, is it full auto? If it's in full auto, then it checks if we're firing. If it's in full auto and we're firing, it just shoots, right? Then if we let go, right, we're not firing, it turns off the animation, turns off the shoot. So then, here if it's not full auto, it goes false. It comes down here and checks, is it firing and not full auto? Just double check. Okay, great. If it is true, then we shoot. We delay for a second, and then we do the animation turn off. And then we shoot, turning the trigger off. Now this is what I think you're talking about, right? We're running both, running a shoot on and then running a shoot off. This doesn't work at all. Now what's really strange, let me just show you here. By adding some breakpoints, this weird thing that happens. Well, here, when we're not firing anymore, it should turn this off, right? And then I want it to wait a second. But so when I, oh shit, god damn it, sorry, forgot to change my weapon. When we fire the weapon, it comes down here and it does the shoot. And then it says it's off shooting. See, it says it plays this. What the hell? See, we resume, and then we resume. Now, of course, when I have the breakpoints on, you don't get to see it just starting all over. So I don't understand what's happening. And I can't seem to get a delay in there, because that would be like a quick and dirty way to solve the problem. Would be before going all the way back for whatever reason. Oh, I hate when it does that. For whatever reason, it's looping back here to this. And I think that's because check firing to shoot comes from action bar key press. So as long as I'm holding down the left button, it's going to be sending the server fire data, right? You mean after the second shoot? Excuse me. Should only send once? What do you mean? Do you mean this shoot here? To put a print, or a print after this one? Because what I was thinking I could do is just put a delay for 1 second at the end of this, and it should play that delay and cause a 1 second interval between shots being fired. But as you can see, it still just shoots endlessly. And weirder still, I can put a breakpoint on here. And it says that it gets to that delay, but it does not wait 1 second at all in between shots. Put a print string there. Am I just printing anything? Yeah. All right. So I don't see a print up there. What the fuck? Break, damn, disable breakpoint. Yeah, it's printing the hellos. Yeah, I was holding the mouse button down here. Sorry, I got two different windows. Or screens. It's hard to keep up with both. So yeah. So it's printing hello as long as I'm holding it. Okay, that's the problem. I'm confused though. I guess I know what the problem is it keeps calling it even though it shouldn't be. Fuck off, weird little trees. Yeah, it just keeps doing it. And I think that's because it's getting it's being called in the action bar key press as long as I'm holding down the key. Right? As long as I'm holding down the button. And that's why I thought about putting a delay here. But delay doesn't show up. I have no delays in the action bar key press. Because I even thought maybe putting a pause fire function here to try and well, in single fire mode, I want it to fire 1 bullet per cooldown cycle, essentially. So, like, I don't care if the player holds down the mouse button. Here, let me see if I can show you. What I had going on before. Well, the skill cooldown should be set to 1 second, I think, right? Like, I haven't changed that at all. So, like, here, oh, Christ, it's gonna fucking compile shaders. Good grief. Set it to 5 seconds for testing. Okay, hold on, I got you. Is that in the skills? Yeah. Skill cooldown in seconds. Now, what the hell? 6 is as good as 5, right? But see, this isn't doing... See, it's still firing like crazy. This isn't even talking to basic skills. Like this, right? The way we have it set up right now. So I guess the cooldown time wouldn't even really matter. Because right now... Well, like... Right? Because right now we're just taking action bar key press and interrupting it here and having it test this logic. So it's not like it's not using a skill. It's not even talking to that skill table, right? In the skill table, I deleted, or I didn't delete. I'm not even talking to the AR or the... You know what I mean? Like, I changed the name Rifle Q instead of Rifle. Yeah, the server event seems to be getting called every... Like... We only call it once in the key press. So even if I hold the button down on key press, it shouldn't continue to do that. It shouldn't keep just swinging. I see what you mean. So like here, when I swing the axe doesn't continue. I'm holding. Okay. But see, isn't the axe using a skill blueprint? Go back to the skill press. Right, but see, the rifle's not calling any skills at this point, right? Like in the basic attack on the skill, add a print after the server call for both of them. Yeah, what the hell, right? Machine gun. Oh yeah, dyslexia coming in hard tonight. I just spelled that really wrong. Oh, good Lord. There we go. Okay, hold on. Let's see. For the machine gun, it prints a bunch of times. For the rifle, it prints a bunch of times. Yeah, no, it doesn't print once every 5 seconds, that's for sure. Here, really quickly, I can show you what I did on the last, like before I had this set up. Still compiling shaders, bear with me. All right. Okay. Just make sure. So on the rifle here, it only fires once every second. And the way I did that was in the action bar key press. And I even ended up cleaning this up a little bit. This is just an older version. Where the hell is it? Oh yeah, no, I did clean it. I did clean it up. I left the action bar key press as it is. And in the rifle logic, there's nothing about firing the weapon. All of the weapon is handled through the skills system. No worries. But I come down here under basic attack. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. Let me know when you're ready. I just was going to show you how I had this essentially working. For single player, at least. It doesn't work for multiplayer. Which is, you know, I'm not saying this is the right way to do it. I'm just kind of showing you how I had it. For anybody watching this stream later, I'm getting some mentorship here on Discord as well, if you're wondering who I'm talking to. Action bar key press. Check if we're in range. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. So you're saying move this whole sequence right here down there. So we can go ahead and do that and just connect these two here. And then check if we're in range. Whoa, okay. Hold on. All right, let's take a look. See how that looks. All right, I always just check the machine gun first. Yep, no firing on the machine gun. So the animation's playing because it's getting the... Now it's firing. What? Oh, Okay, interesting. So now we'll have to figure out how to make the machine gun fire in full auto. Son of a bitch. Let's see here, but I bet you that does solve our problem with the regular rifle, doesn't it? Okay. Okay, so it does kind of solve the problem, but if you notice... Oh, shit. I gotta fix that. If you notice on the rifle when I fire... Oh, no, it does fire. God damn, these fucking trees, man. I've got to take these trees out of here. Okay. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we disabled the fire mode, but now it's... So what that means is that it's only firing once on the machine gun. Okay, let's put it back on. I see where you're going with that. Alright. Let's check this out. Let's see if the fire mode means anything. Did it ever mean anything? Was it all just a lie? Oh, shit. Oh. I guess it helps if I reconnect all of the things, huh? Well, I'll be. It almost looks like that fire mode has value. Kaidoom, you are a fucking genius, my friend. I just want you to know that. I wasn't kidding. If I launch this game and it makes millions and millions of dollars, you're gonna get paid, homie. This is on live stream. Everybody heard it here today. Because holy shit. Let's just double check here. Oh yeah. We've got live fire on the machine gun. And we've got one shot every 5 seconds from the rifle. Good lord. That is working exactly as expected. Thank you so much. That's incredible. I'm glad that you were here, man, because I honestly would have never figured that out. I would not have figured that out on my own. Good lord. I mean, it does help, obviously, that you wrote the initial template system. Obviously, you'll have a better understanding of it than I did, but I could have looked through that for a damn year, and I would not have noticed that that was what we needed to do. Yep. 1 second cooldown works just perfect. Ah, that is a weird bug. Weird bug. Where in the logic of the inventory can I set it up so that when let's say when I change rifle here, that it automatically does that before it changes? Like, is there somewhere in the inventory logic that I could put a call to sheathing the weapon before putting a new one on? Like would that be in the equip where we set the fire mode? Okay. Close that one. Don't need to save any of the... What the fuck? Close. No. Don't save. Okay, there we go. And what did we call that again in Final Rifle code? So did I just call rifle equip? I guess, right? From the server or from... Yeah, because I want to tell everybody, right? I feel like that should work. I don't know. Whoa. Okay, nope, that didn't work. Well, it kind of worked. No, it didn't work at all. Damn it. Oh, I got to check, right? I got to run actual logic and say, hey, if you have this, then do this. Right? Or something. Set a variable called is equipped. Oh, shit, I don't know. Now I'm getting... Show equipment event again. So this is where we decide is aiming or isn't aiming. So shit, sorry. I'm trying to make this so you could see most of it anyway, or at least have an idea what's going on there. So that's the run equipment. So, on rep equipped primary. I feel like we've done something in here already before. Okay. Get primary equipped info. Oh, so we already have some logic going on here for that. Or something. What am I doing here? Oh, okay. It looks like I have already tried solving this problem. And apparently not to any avail. Let's see here. Well, here, we're just going to try. Yeah, what this is doing is if I remember correctly, this was solving a similar problem involving how if I have a rifle equipped, what the hell? If I have the rifle equipped and I switch to the axe, that's what it does, is it changes it takes the rifle, unequips it, and puts the axe in the hand. So I think I feel like if I do the rifle equipped call here, should I do that to just this, or should I do it to the server? Or does it not matter? Just that? Okay. Oh, okay. We've decided to put it in the middle. Let's see what happens there, because what the fuck, that's interesting. Alright, let's see here. That just automatically equips the rifle when or puts the rifle in his hand. Huh. Okay. That does kind of do the trick. Kind of misses the animation a little bit, but yeah, let's make that big enough so you can actually see it. So, oh, I bet I need to add like a little delay in there for the animation, huh? Before it makes that call. Lassie love. Rifle equipped. I think we needed like point. Right, hold on. We'll come back to that idea here. What do you mean? I didn't notice that. Tries to unequip, you say? Oh. I feel like it just makes the attachment before the animation is finished, though. Maybe. Is that what's happening? Did I mess up where I put the line? Oh, maybe not. The second time it tries to unequip. So it's like it. Show me the full event. So rifle equip. Play montage. Starting section depends on whether or not we're already aiming. We set aiming over here with some switchery do's or something. I honestly don't really know what's going on here, but it works. The logic here, I don't understand. It seems like, anyway. And then attach to component. And then I aim down the sights. Oh, huh. That makes sense. That makes sense. Got it. Oh, dope. Huh. That does do something with my camera, though, doesn't it? Yeah, I got to figure that out. That's got something to do with how we aim down the sights, though. I bet I just got to put a check in there to make sure before we aim down the sights on equip rifles. Branch is aiming. And then it'll only do that when is aiming is true, and that should solve that problem. Oh, I see what's going on there. It's because when we... okay. So on equipment rep here, we're setting the aiming to be false. Do I still have something in here calling that? No. Set it to true right after. Yeah, that makes sense. Because that would... No. Now we're aiming down sights without the weapon drawn. Nope, that's not the answer. Shit. What do you mean set the old value? Save the current is aiming. So you're saying like take is aiming, put it into a different variable, then set it to false. Rifle equip, then set is aiming using its saved variable. Like equip rifle aim check. Something like that. Oh, that's... No, because The trouble is that because then that sets up a reverse loop. So now we'll only be in close up. Maybe I do it the opposite of what we just did. No, that didn't do it though. So if we just do shit. I think this is how it was before we started messing with that. Like link, complete. So essentially, if you're holding the rifle, oh great, no, that's not working. What in the fuck? Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, what are we doing here? What's wrong? Wait, what happened? How did I break it? What the fuck? That doesn't make any sense. Q? That should bring the camera down now. What the hell? Oh, that damn branch. Okay. Yeah, I did, just to show you what the problem was. What we were trying to solve. So if you have a rifle equipped, oh my goodness, everything's just broken. What have I done? I know. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to show you what the problem was. And now it's doing weird shit and I'm getting frustrated. Hold on. Okay. Q, you bring up the weapon. You're in this mode. So this is what we're trying to solve. Trying to solve if I change weapons while I'm in aiming down sight mode, it yeah. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm just getting frustrated with this. So we're setting aiming to true. And then we're going from rifle down to the branch, right? Rid of that. Reg node links, right? Okay. All right. Oh, is there a conspiracy? I wonder what is going on. Okay, here we go. This time it's going to do what we expect it to do. It's not grabbing the rifle. What the fuck? Good Lord. So I have what you've got shown here. I've got set equipment to set is aiming, which is going to the rifle equip, which is then going down to the branch. And for some reason, the rifle equip is not equipping properly now. What in the hell? I didn't change anything in that. I know. What the fuck? It's not grabbing the rifle like it did before. We don't need action bar key anymore. Equip item by slot. I didn't do anything else in here. That's all working correctly. Equip rifle. It's got to be something to do with the way I'm changing is aiming around, right? Did I miss something? Oh, yes, I did. I had accidentally clicked is aiming, right? Didn't I do that? In my great infinite fucking wisdom. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. So now we're back to the aim down sights problem. But only in the sense that when you first start. Okay, I'm going to save everything now because, Jesus, I'm about to lose my mind when I mess things up. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I clicked true on that is aiming. I was just trying something, I guess, seeing if I can get it to work. So now, okay, so the issue is when anytime the rifle is out, it needs to be in the aim down sights mode. Because otherwise we risk, well, we don't risk anything, I guess, in this. It's still mostly functional, but there we go. That's the problem. So I don't want to be in far third person mode when he's got the rifle out. So like that part works. We're switching between them now. But when you first start, because it automatically pulls the rifle out, it's not going into the aim down sight mode. To the on rep or the equip here. Rifle equip. Okay, yeah, that's where we're at. Duplicate it. Like just copy and paste it, yeah. Why can't I change anything? What the hell? Okay, that's fucking weird. Okay. So now we got essentially a separate event just called Rifle 2, Equip 2. Cool. Okay, I see where you're going here. And over here we call Rifle Equip 2 to start with. Set true in the index. Okay. And then just call it from on rep. Oh no. Okay, more to remove. Get rid of the switch has authority stuff. Okay. Okay. Huh? More than one function with the name uncompleted, so I got to do another play montage. Okay, I see. Oh shit. I got confused. Okay. Yeah, it's because I duplicated the graph. Okay. That's all right. All right. There we go. Oh, because we got rid of that. No. Hold Alt and click on a wire to disconnect it. Oh, neat. I did not know that. That is good to know. Thank you. All right, hold on. Did I accidentally remove aim down sights from that too? No. Oh, I shouldn't need that anymore, right? Because it's not how we're doing it. Okay, so okay, that works for me. Let's see here. So we're aiming down sights, we change it. It just puts it back on his back. And that creates this weird reverse loop. So it kind of works. No, it's not working quite as before. So check this out. So we take and we pull the rifle. That's great. Now we change it and it doesn't kick back. Well, and it's not calling the aim down sights when it does the on rep. I'm wondering. Oh, that's lovely. Good Lord. Well, I was okay. So like when we're, you see what I'm saying though, right? Because here when we do that switch here, it doesn't kick the aim deck sights back. Okay, you do see it. On rep. Oh, should I get rid of this now? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. We need to remove that, huh? Because that was part of that old other setup. Maybe that's what will happen here. No, now we're back to the original problem. Without that, for whatever reason, having that there changes the, like that's what makes this part work, I guess, right? Go to the on rep and double click rifle 2. God dang it. Oh, why do you do that, Unreal? That's so annoying. I feel like we still need that, right? Or no? Let's try it. Yeah, no. Oh no. Yeah, it's the right montage. Just curious here. Yeah, it's not grabbing the rifle now. This is rifle equipped too. On begin notify goes over to attach component to component. Did we miss something here? The beginning of the event looks just like that. Weird. I don't know. Oh, Unreal Engine, you are driving me fucking bonkers tonight with this display issue. And do you have that problem too sometimes? Where the display, for some reason, it just chooses the display to not function properly on? Like, you see how that menu just disappears? But I could type delay and get a delay. If I move this down to my lower monitor, that problem is solved. Like, I can use my menus. But let me just look here and see if that worked for us. All right, so I'm not mad that he starts with the gun in his hand like that, but with the normal stance. Yeah, I have an NVIDIA card, the 3090 RTX. So, I mean, the core problem is solved by what we've done here, right? Like, but for some reason, when we start the game, okay, dope. For some reason, though, when we start the game now, with that, we start out in just regular idle mode holding the gun. And I can't fire the gun because I'm not in, it's not technically, it's not in aiming mode or whatever. Give me 1 second. The only way I found to solve this problem is to restart the damn editor. But all the compiling is done, so it should just pop right up. How long you been doing this, like Unreal development and stuff? Bear with me. It's popping up. Oh, wow. Okay. Did you have other programming knowledge before this then? All right, there we go. All right. C# and Visual Basic, nice. Yeah, I honestly chose the life of a vagabond and a wanderer for a few years after high school. I should have stuck with the computer programming. Show me the normal rifle equip. So normal rifle equipped. Really, the only difference is we set the equip unequip by is aiming. We have the switch authority doing a loop-de-loop on the is aiming, and then we do an aim down sights at the end. And aim down sights is just this. Okay. On complete, set aiming to true. All right, so just pull this down here, pull this whole thing up here. Test with this first. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't go to the down sights, and it's this is the thing I was worried about having happen, is where it is the opposite. So yeah, I think we do need to call aim down sights there, huh? Yeah. Oh, I don't even remember my own names for things. All right, aim down sights is what it's actually called. Okay. Sorry, I just had to get back to it. Okay. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, that's weird. It should have went to... Okay, so it did aim down sights for the one player, for this player. But for player 1 up here, or client 2 rather, it did not. What does that mean? Do we need to do some kind of an authority check? Just want to make sure this happened. Check again. Okay. This time, client 2 got aim down sights, and client 1 did not. Yeah, so client 2 is in a reverse loop. It's weird that it's... And then this time, neither one of them went into the aim down sights. Yeah, it's backwards. Anytime things are backwards. There we go. Ah, good grief. What happens when I call ADS? Ah, shit. Let's see. Aim down sights. So we got a flip-flop set up. It sets lock in aim, which is basically a variable that I use to determine whether or not we're going to do pawn rotation with the controller or not. This is because essentially without it, here, I'll show you what happens when we don't have that, because it's easier than trying to explain it. So I can end up shooting behind me if I don't do the controller rotation. Instead of checking is aiming, check if lock aim then. Okay. Yeah, because, well, here, I'll show you. When we were doing is aiming not true. Well, anyway, hold on. Let's try it this year. It's set to true. Oh, check if lock aim is false. Got you. Oh, good lord. Okay. Okay. All right, that does seem to, I think, have solved the problem. Let me go back into equip rifles and set that back up real fast just to make sure everything is golden retriever. All right, so it puts us in the aim mode, pulls us out, puts us in the aim mode, shakes it all about. Fucking A. I think we have success here. I think this is correct. Yeah. Yeah, it does appear to be correct. Fucking A. Ah, it's crashing. Oh my goodness. Now I just got to figure out how to replicate. I got to do some reading. Do you have any good links or resources on where you kind of learned about doing the replication and online stuff? There's one player. Dope. Dope. Awesome. Wow. Let you know if I find a great YouTube channel, because I will. If I find one, I'll definitely tell you. Oh, you already have one? Yeah, that would be great. I would if you have a YouTube channel that's got videos about replication, I would definitely watch them, and I'm happy to laugh the whole time. Because the only part of this game right now that's not multiplayer is the horse, and I have a multiplayer version of the horse, but you can't fire the gun while you're on the horse in the multiplayer version of the horse. It's hard to explain, but the guy who made the horse essentially told me that it's got something to do with C++ and engine source code. I don't know. All right, dope. I'll definitely check them out. Definitely. Well, fuck, man. Oh wow, it's 2:20 in the morning. I guess I probably should go to bed soon, but I think that we finally have fully working multiplayer weapon system here, and I'm really super thankful. Honestly, man, I couldn't have done it without you. So thank you. Oh, okay. Check this for the menu issue. Yeah, I got that G-force, yo. Oh, yeah, no, this doesn't fix it. This just shows it. Okay. All right. Well, I am going to go ahead and stop the stream. But again, thanks a fucking ton for all your help. Super, super grateful. That's weird. Somehow I broke the axe. Oh goodness. Well, I have more work to do on this apparently. Fuck is that? Oh my goodness. Check if it's the primary rifle. Oh yeah, in the on rep. Yeah, I see it. Branch. Let's put in the rest. Rifle. Oh wait, where's my class? Don't I get a class? Oh, I'm not doing it out of the right one, am I? I'm not. Get equipped primary. Cast to rifle class. I cast that shit. Or machine gun. Cast that shit. Okay, let's get rid of unused stuff here. Just gonna do one of these there, and then if not, we'll just kick right back into there. And there we go. And that should solve our problem with the axe, right? Huh. Why isn't... Oh, I bet you that's not replicated. I I bet my whole system of chopping down trees is not multiplayered. Nope. Alright, well, I will watch those tutorials, and that'll be my first project for figuring out how to do multiplayer, is how to make these trees chop down in... I love watching those spin. Oh, goodness. Okay. Alright, thanks again, homie. Greatly appreciate all your help. Yeah, no, I love that. I still got a little bit of work to do on the tree chopping. I got to learn how to properly apply force, but it's still pretty fun. It's even more fun to watch when I actually have the what do you call them? Yeah, these guys, when they're doing it, it's more fun to watch. And I did finally get... Yeah, I will. I'm going to check that thing in the morning, though, man. I got to go to bed. It's fucking late. And I got to get up in like 4 hours to go feed some dogs for my parents who are out of town. So, anyway, yeah. Again, thank you. I'm super, super stoked. I've only got a few more little hurdles to overcome before I can start really building out this game. I'm pretty stoked about it. You as well. Thanks again. Have a great night or afternoon or morning wherever you're at. All right, later, fam.